Alicia and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do a very minimal office or work or even college makeup look, especially if you're running late for meetings, using no foundation and just minimal products. We are going to complete this makeup look in just 5 minutes. So if you're ready, let's begin.
Step 1. I am using the Praush Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer. This is one of my go-to products for keeping my skin hydrated and smooth. It creates the perfect base for the rest of my makeup. Next, I am applying Dr. Sheth's sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must, even if you are spending most of your day indoors. This one is lightweight, blends easily and doesn't leave any white cast. If you have any dark spots or discoloration, you can use a color corrector to even out your skin tone. I am using the Forever 52 two-tone dark shade color corrector to target specific areas. Just a little bit where needed will help create a more even complexion. Now it's time to conceal. I am using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer to brighten up my under eyes and cover any blemishes. This concealer gives great coverage and blends seamlessly into the skin. To set everything in place, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This powder is perfect for keeping my makeup in place and reducing any shine throughout the day. Let's move on to the brows. I am using the PAC Eyebrow Definer to shape and fill in my eyebrows. A well-defined brow really helps to frame the face and complete the look. For the eyes, I am creating a subtle winged eyeliner. It's a simple yet effective way to make your eyes stand out without going overboard. This is perfect for office or college makeup look. To bring some color to the face, I am using the K-Beauty blush. Applying a small amount to the apples of your cheeks will give you a natural, fresh-faced glow. Finally, I am finishing off the look with lip liner and lipstick. Choose a nude or a soft pink shade that's office appropriate. Line your lips for definition, then fill them in with a matching lipstick for a polished finish. And that's it. A quick, no foundation office makeup look that's perfect for those days when you want to keep things light and natural. Remember, life is short, so make every moment count. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and keep slaying those looks.